Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Kia Forte ABS sensor failure and commonly documented potential causes that may affect braking system monitoring. ABS sensor failure in the Kia Forte usually means the system is no longer accurately reading wheel speed data, which can disable ABS and stability control functions. When this happens, the ABS warning light may illuminate and braking behavior can change during hard stops or slippery conditions. One verified cause involves damaged or contaminated wheel speed sensors, which can occur from road debris, corrosion, or exposure to moisture over time. Wiring or connector issues are another documented factor where cracked insulation, loose connectors, or corrosion interrupt the sensor signal. Some Kia Forte model years may also experience ABS sensor issues related to wheel bearing wear, since the sensor often relies on a tone ring integrated with the bearing assembly. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year mileage or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. In certain situations, software calibration or control module communication issues could be a contributing factor, although this is less common and depends on model year and system design. Possible solutions generally include inspecting the affected wheel sensor, checking wiring integrity, cleaning corrosion, or replacing the sensor if confirmed faulty. If wheel bearing wear is present, replacement of the bearing assembly may be required to fully resolve the issue. Diagnostic scanning is typically necessary to identify which sensor or circuit is affected before repairs are performed. Overall, ABS sensor failure patterns can vary depending on driving conditions, climate exposure, and vehicle age. Addressing the issue early helps restore proper braking system operation and reduces the risk of additional warning lights or system limitations. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.